If you've been trying to find the right Garmin watch, you've probably noticed pretty quickly that they're not all built for the same kind of person. Some are great if you just want the basics for running and everyday fitness. Others give you deeper training insights, AMOLED displays, triathlon tools, and more advanced recovery features. That's exactly why we put together this list of the 7 best Garmin watches, with each one standing out for a different type of runner, athlete, or training style. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these Garmin watches aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Garmin Forerunner 55. This is the most basic Garmin watch on our list. You get wrist-based heart rate tracking and built-in GPS, so you can track your pace, distance, and route with no guesswork. And then Garmin adds daily suggested workouts, which makes training feel more guided and more practical. And you also get race time predictions, finish time estimates, and Pace Pro pace guidance. There's a lot here to help you improve while still keeping the experience beginner-friendly. Now, battery life is another big plus. You can get up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode and up to 20 hours in GPS mode. That makes it very easy to wear every day and rely on during training. And beyond running, you can also track cycling, track run, virtual run, pool swim, Pilates, HIIT, and breath work. Plus, you get wellness features like intensity minutes, fitness age, and all-day respiration. And here's what Julie says: "My absolute favorite running watch, I upgraded from a different Garmin. The GPS is extremely accurate and all of the information from the watch syncs quickly to the Garmin app. I've worn it in all kinds of weather and different types of races and have never had a problem." So if you want the most straightforward Garmin, this is the one. Number 6 is the Garmin Forerunner 165. This is the most entry-level AMOLED Garmin watch on our list. The first thing that makes the Forerunner 165 so appealing is the screen. You're getting a bright AMOLED touchscreen, and that instantly gives the watch a more modern and polished feel. At the same time, Garmin keeps traditional button controls, so you still get that dependable sports watch feel while you train. Now, it's built for runners, but it gives you much more than the basics. You get built-in GPS and wrist-based heart rate. And then Garmin adds personalized daily suggested workouts that adapt based on your performance and recovery. So instead of only showing you data, it also helps guide your next move. You get Garmin Coach and Race Adaptive training plans. That makes the whole experience feel even more supportive. Then there's the morning report. That adds a really nice layer of convenience. You can check sleep, recovery, training outlook, weather, and HRV status as soon as you wake up. On top of that, training effect labels, and recovery time help you understand how your workouts are helping your fitness. And you also get 25+ built-in activity profiles, smart notifications, Garmin Pay, and safety tools like incident detection and assistance. And here's what Emma says: "I love my Garmin watch so much. I'm surprised I didn't get one sooner. Battery lasts forever. I charge it once a week maybe, and only because I'm showering, so I just plug it in. Has all the functions you want or need. So if you want the easiest AMOLED Garmin to start with, this is a great fit." Number 5 is the Garmin Forerunner 255. This is the best advanced value Garmin watch on our list. The Forerunner 255 really hits a sweet spot because it gives you a more serious training experience while still feeling easy to live with every day. So if you want more advanced insight without stepping too far up the range, this one makes a lot of sense. Now, one of the biggest strengths here is the training data. You get HRV status, a morning report, daily suggested workouts, and training status. So you can see how your body is responding and whether your training is moving in the right direction. That makes a huge difference because the watch doesn't just record your runs. It helps you understand them better. Then with recovery time, race predictions, and workout suggestions that adapt after every run, it keeps the experience feeling personal and useful. And battery life is another big win. You can get up to 14 days in smartwatch mode and up to 30 hours in GPS mode. So it's ready for daily wear and longer training blocks. On top of that, the always-on full-color display is easy to read even in direct sunlight, and the design stays slim and light on your wrist. Plus, you also get Garmin Coach adaptive plans for 5K, 10K, and half marathon training. And if you pair it with compatible accessories, you can unlock running power, ground contact time balance, stride length, and vertical ratio. And here's what Cesar says. I've been a Garmin user for over 10 years, and I upgraded from the Forerunner 745 to the Forerunner 255. This is an excellent upgrade, and immediately feels like a more refined and capable watch. So if you want the smartest Garmin for the money, this is a fantastic pick. And if you want to know the latest prices for the Garmin watches discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Garmin Forerunner 265. This is the best mid-range AMOLED Garmin watch on our list. The Forerunner 265 feels like the point where Garmin's premium feel and stronger training depth really come together. Right away, the display makes an impression. You get a 1.3-inch AMOLED touchscreen, and it looks bright, crisp, and lively every time you check it. Then Garmin pairs that with traditional button controls, so you get a smoother everyday experience without losing that sporty feel. And once you get into the training side, this watch gets even more impressive. You get training readiness, HRV status, training status, and a detailed morning report with sleep, recovery, training outlook, and weather. So instead of guessing how hard you should train, you get a clearer picture of how ready your body is. On top of that, Garmin gives you personalized daily suggested workouts that adapt after every run, plus race planning tools tied to your course and event in Garmin Connect. You also get 30+ activity profiles for running, triathlon, cycling, and open water swimming. So it works really well if your routine includes more than one kind of workout. Then there's the accuracy and convenience side. Multiband GNSS with SatIQ helps improve positioning while optimizing battery life. You also get up to 13 days in smartwatch mode, up to 20 hours in GPS mode, smart notifications, Garmin Pay, music features, and safety tracking tools. So if you want the sweet spot AMOLED Garmin, this is the one. Number 3 is the Garmin Forerunner 5.7. Oh, this is the best small wrist triathlon Garmin watch on our list. What really makes the Forerunner 5.7 stand out is the fit. It comes in a 42mm case with a 1.2-inch AMOLED display, so it sits more naturally on smaller wrists and feels a lot more comfortable for all-day wear. And even then, it still gives you a very capable triathlon setup. That's what makes it so appealing. You get 30+ built-in activity profiles, including triathlon, running, track run, cycling, and open water swimming. So right away, it covers a wide mix of training. Then on top of that, Garmin adds Garmin Coach training plans for running and triathlon, and those adapt based on your performance and recovery. So it's not just tracking what you do, it's also helping you figure out what to do next. And then the recovery side is really strong too. You get training readiness, training status, HRV status, a morning report, and even an evening report. So throughout the day, you're getting helpful check-ins instead of just raw numbers. Then you also get built-in microphone and speaker support for calls when paired with your phone, plus incident detection and assistance. And battery life stays solid too, with up to 10 days in smartwatch mode and up to 18 hours in GPS mode. So if you want a triathlon Garmin that feels better on a smaller wrist, this is the one. Number 2 is the Garmin Forerunner 965. This is the most premium AMOLED triathlon Garmin watch on our list. The Forerunner 965 feels premium right from the start. You get a 1.4-inch AMOLED touchscreen, traditional button controls, and a lightweight titanium bezel. So it feels bright, sleek, and high-end all at once. And because of that, it really lands well if you want a serious multi-sport watch that still feels polished day to day. Now, one of the biggest highlights here is navigation. You get full-color built-in maps, turn-by-turn directions, and multi-band GPS with SatIQ. So if you're training on unfamiliar routes or tougher terrain, that extra confidence is a big deal. Then Garmin makes it even better with triathlon and multi-sport profiles for triathlons, duathlons, brick workouts, and swim runs. So switching between sports feels smooth and easy. And then the training depth is excellent too. You get training readiness, training status, daily suggested workouts, and a morning report with sleep, recovery, training outlook, HRV status, and weather. So instead of just seeing data, you're getting context around how ready you are to train. And battery life is also a huge plus with up to 23 days in smartwatch mode and up to 31 hours in GPS mode. Plus, you also get wrist-based running dynamics and wrist-based running power. So if you want the most premium AMOLED triathlon Garmin, this is a standout choice. Number 1 is the Garmin Forerunner 9/7. Oh, this is the best overall Garmin watch on our list. The Forerunner 970 takes the top spot because it feels like Garmin's most complete package. Right away, you get Garmin's brightest AMOLED touchscreen, plus button controls, a lightweight titanium bezel, and a sapphire lens. So it feels premium, durable, and very polished from the start. And then Garmin throws in a built-in LED flashlight, which is one of those features you end up appreciating more and more. Now, it also goes deeper into training insight. You get running economy, step speed loss, and running tolerance. So you can understand efficiency, impact, and training load in a more advanced way. Then on top of that, Garmin adds Garmin Coach training plans and training readiness. The whole watch feels built to help you train smarter. And the navigation side is strong too. You get full-color built-in maps, multi-band GPS, and dynamic round-trip routing, which is great when you want to explore without losing your route. Plus, multi-sport auto transition makes triathlon tracking feel even easier. Plus, you also get built-in microphone and speaker, ECG app support, wrist-based running dynamics, and wrist-based running power. Battery life stays strong too, with up to 15 days in smartwatch mode and up to 26 hours in GPS mode. So if you want Garmin's most complete all-around watch, this is the clear winner. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect Garmin watch. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each Garmin watch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.